Ready? Chip. Making bow. Okay. I'm gonna show you the basic techniques for sword training. Okay. We're gonna do the basic motions first. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna make one knee sitting. Make sure if you're right-handed, your sword's gonna be on your left side. But if you're left-handed, go to opposite side because whichever hand you're pulling out is with your dominant hand that you're used to. So for me, it's a right hand. So my right hand's gonna be on top where the shield guard would be. Okay. Or if I'm left-handed, it'll be on my right side with the left hand. Okay, because whenever you pull out, make sure your left hand is out. Okay, so let's try. We're going to do the first four motions. Okay, first motion you're going to do is a forward striking or pulling out. Okay, imagine you have your guard or your sword casing. Okay, pretend you have it, and then make sure you use your dominant hand. Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to slide it out. Okay, you're going to say one sir, and then next what you're going to do after you get out a good amount, or we'll say at least closer to the tip or middle of the sword. What you're going to do, you're going to step forward, make a bending stance, stand up. I'm going to say two, sir. And then you're going to pull out all the way, and then you're going to use the tip. Use your hand to guide the tip to pointing where you should have your resting spot or your starting position. Okay? Then you're going to say three, sir. And then after you finish, put your other hand underneath your dominant hand. Make sure not far apart. Okay? Make sure together. This is a striking skill, okay? And then after you finish, make a bending stand and then say four, sir. Okay? Let's go back and try one more time. Full motion. Okay? So ready, you're gonna start with here. Okay? Ready? One, sir. Two, sir. Three, sir. Four, sir. And then when you finish, you're gonna say, I'm ready, sir. Now you're gonna do 10 times striking forward, okay? You're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is going to helping you, but specifically when you striking, you have to make sure go all the way back. Do not make sure do not have your sword pointed horizontally, but all the way down vertically. Okay, so make sure your sword is in line with your back line. Okay, when you're striking, and then make sure stop halfway to where your belt level is. So make sure using the tip to measure how far you should go. Okay. And then after you finish striking 10 times here, and then you're going to go over your head, slicing diagonally. Okay? You're going to start with the right side going over. You're going to do 10 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10. Now make sure when you're striking diagonally, make sure you go over your head, make a full 360, and then you use your tip to slicing down, and make sure keep your blade straight as possible. Do not bend your wrist and then do this. This is not a baseball or golf. Okay? So make sure you go pointing all the way. Making sure when you go all the way as much as you can, make sure it's in line with your knees. Okay? Make sure it's in line with your knees, and then you can finish the motion. Okay? Let's do the other side. Ready? 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And then after you finish, let's start all the way back to the beginning. Okay? So we're gonna do
The combination is a straight diagonal, just one time.
Just one time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're gonna do first for four motions with I'm ready, sir, and then we're gonna do the next 3 striking motions. Okay? So ready? Ready, say 1, sir, 2, sir, 3, sir, 4, sir. I'm ready, sir. Ready? 1, sir, 2, sir, 3, sir. And then when you finish, bring your sword back. Use your hand to guide the neck or the back of the sword. Guide it all the way. Bring it back to the casing and then put it back. And then you are finished. Okay. Right. Thank you.